Where is the battery? Do you have one of these? This is a Craftsman Platinum 675 series, and it's got a lot of funky stuff on it. So see this little piece down here? It's like a curved little piece that when you pull on the bail, it kind of keeps that little flap up. So watch as you pull the bail back. You can see it moving forward and backwards. So you push the plastic piece forward and it latches right onto there to hold it in the up position. So you can see there's a little plastic clip that's just kind of locked into that spot. So it keeps it up. Now you can take the bag out and it holds it upright because the battery is located under that spot. Let me kind of show you where here. So the battery is located under this piece. That needs to come out. You can see the key, or some of them have a push button, but you got the little, all the wires run down the handle, down to all this stuff here. There's even a little clip-on piece that typically has a fuse in it. I picked mine up without a fuse. They hadn't been using the battery for a long time. So the battery is just located underneath this plastic piece down here. I'll show you. 5/16. One there. Then there's one there. And there's one more back this way. At least, so far there's 3. There might be more. I don't know. That seemed like it all fell in. Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna flip it over now and show you what's underneath. So you've got, man, you're gonna have lots of gunk because all that does is hold stuff. Holy cow. Yeah, anyway, you can see the wiring comes from up here, comes all the way down here, and then that's one big chunk of battery. That's kind of funny. All right. Well, so if you're not going to use the battery, you can toss that. That thing has got to be so dead. I don't have a charger for it. If you have a charger, you could always try. There goes the rest. Yeah, look at all that junk. It just catches everything, every last little bit of grass, dirt, grime. So what I'm going to do, let's see, I think I can show you how I'm going to do this. Right here, just pull up on that little tab. Okay, there's a tab on each side, so get them both loose, and then you can have the whole thing out. It's not crazy heavy, but it's an extra thing you're pushing around that weighs a little bit. So There you go. Once you pull that out though, you might as well go back in and dig out all the junk that's all over in there. Get a long screwdriver and just start digging at it. Here's the battery up close. It's a PowerSonic PS1228P. It's a 12-volt battery, 2.8 amp hours. So if you're buying one on Amazon, make sure that it's got that little connector on it and it matches right up. Might not be the exact brand, but you got to make sure that it fits the mower that you've got. Also, it's got these little squishy pads that are glued to it. So you might want to pull those off of your old battery because I don't know that the new ones come with that. And then maybe just kind of glue them in yourself, do the best you can. It's just, it keeps it from shaking too bad and all that. But hope it helped. Enjoy.